Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today's video is just going to be kind of like a lazy last minute clean with me. You guys know that I just did my pre-Thanksgiving clean, and if you haven't watched that, make sure to go and check it out. But I didn't have a lot of stuff to do today, but people are coming over, and by people I mean my son, and he has seen my house look way worse than this. But anyways, you just never know, like around the holidays if somebody's just going to pop up on you. So I wanted to be prepared. And what I knew I needed to do was get out here and clean up this front porch because I have not done it in so long. It looks like the Munsters live here. So I wanted to just quickly get out here, not do like a full-blown porch clean, but get everything swept off, make it look a little bit nicer. Get everything off that doesn't need to be up there. I have a towel out there for Buddy to walk on when he goes outside and he doesn't bring as much dirt in. Just, things like that. So I figured if you guys needed just a last minute, motivation to get up and just get your house a little bit more tidier than it is right now for the holidays, then that's what I'm here for. So I'm actually editing this the day before Thanksgiving, and I wanted to make sure that there was nothing that I had to do for this weekend because I just want to be able to spend time with family, rest and relax, and I just wanted this porch to look a little bit nicer. I mean, look at that. My $5 Walmart fern plant, she gave it all she could, and with my lack of care and consideration, she's no longer with us. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. And also, I don't know, I can't remember if this has already been shown in the video. That's the attention span that I have. But the front door mats that I had, no, okay, they're already gone. The ones that I grabbed at, where was it? Ollie's. They were good for a while, but they started to really curl up really bad, and they were getting stuck under my door. And I was so tired of walking out of my door at 6:30 every morning to go to work and get hung up on the porch rugs. I've said colorful words outside in the morning, and so I just figured I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. So I used just that round jute rug that I used to have inside, and I took it outside, and I meant to clean it, and I cleaned it and let it dry, and then I never brought it back in. That could have been 3 months ago. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm not going to spend money on another one. I figured I've already got this one, so we're just going to leave it there. You guys are going to have to tell me what you feel. So this is just how it's going to be until I do some Christmas decor out on the porch. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that there. It's like I said, it wasn't like a full-on cleaning. It was way too cold for me to get out a water hose and start scrubbing stuff down, but it looks so much better. I got everything swept up. I got all the junk off of the front porch, and it just looks nicer. So I'm really glad that I went ahead and decided to do that. So now we're just going to go ahead and move inside and start to get anything picked up and cleaned up that needs to be done. Like I said, I recently just did a really good pre-Thanksgiving clean, and with it just being me and Ruben here and the dog, it really doesn't get that dirty. So it's not a whole lot. It's just a lot of stuff that needs to be picked up. I will say my kitchen is a hot mess. My kitchen is a hot mess. So that needed to be cleaned up. I did not film me throwing away any food or anything like that because I swear y'all just really come for me about that food situation. I don't know what else to say. Also, I think I mentioned in that last video about this new little duster that I picked up at Dollar General. This is it. I don't think I showed it, but I talked about it. And this was from Mr. Clean, and it was only $5, and I really like it. So you can actually, okay, so you know how the toilet brush cleaners, the Clorox ones, where you push the little blue button and the end pops off and you can put a new one on? So it kind of has a button like that on it, and you can just pop it off and throw it in the washing machine. How stinking cool is that? And it's really thick and fluffy. Bodie is just dying to get a hold of it because he thinks it's a toy, so I have to be extra careful about it. And it also cleaned out the little vents of this fan so good. I was super excited to use it. So the next time you're in your Dollar General, go and check and see if they have them, because I'm in absolute love with this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything vacuumed, cleaned, all the goods. But I kind of wanted to just quickly talk about Thanksgiving. Are you guys excited? I'm so super excited. So like I said, my youngest son is coming home. He'll be here for the weekend, and fingers crossed I'll get to see my oldest. He actually works for the Postal Service, and I think he has to work. So that's just really sad. I think this is probably going to be the first year I've never been able to see him on Thanksgiving, and that's just going to break my heart. But he's a grown man. He's doing his thing, and I'm super excited and proud of him for that. So that's okay. We'll be able to celebrate at another time. But I'm just really, really, really excited to be able to rest and relax, have some good food, have some laughs, and spend time with my family. Oh, also, my best friend is coming in. I think she'll be here this weekend too, and I'll be able to get to see her and spend time with her. But yeah, I'm just really excited. And I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving and you get to eat all the good food and have all of the laughs and, just really enjoy your time with your loved ones. I know that time is not always promised to us, and I have a special friend that is going through some things right now, and I just want to let her know that I'm here for you and I love you and everything's going to be just fine. And if she watches this, she knows exactly who I'm talking about. She's going through some health situations with her mother right now. I don't want to put everything out there, but I love you, girl, and everything will be good. I'm always here for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get to this laundry. I only had one basket, surprisingly enough, and I was just excited that that's all I had. Ooh, also I wanted to share with you guys, I've had a lot of questions about this shirt that I've been wearing, and it is from Dear Willow Boutique. You guys, I just absolutely love Devin. She has been a friend of mine for years, and I'm so excited for her in this boutique. So go and check it out. She's got new stuff up there. I know she just got some new sweaters. She's got so many cute things. Just go check out the website, see if there's anything that you like, and you guys can always use Mandy 15 for 15% off. And, supporting small businesses around the holidays is the best thing I think that you can do. So I've got this laundry that I need to finish, and I'm going to quit yapping. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of music, and I'm going to be honest with you why. I could talk for days, but Ruben is texting me right now. This is like real life. He left to go to the grocery store. He has got it in his head that he wants to make the macaroni and cheese this year. And I said, honey, you do you, boo. I'm here for it. So he watched like 17,000 YouTube videos on macaroni and cheese. He leaves the house to go to the store. He knew, he came right in here and gave me a kiss goodbye. He knew I was editing a video, and he's been blowing up my phone. Do we have flour? Do we have milk? Do we have heavy cream? I'm like, dude, why didn't you look before you left the house? So I'm going to play you a little bit of music while I go and check our refrigerator stock and see if we have everything for Mr. Flores to make his macaroni and cheese. I also need to go ahead and, while I'm thinking about it, go take the tag off of that duster because I'm over here looking like Minnie Pearl.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high. Biggest ride of the century. Wanna drop into the ocean, wanna feel like we're the only ones around, but I'm lost, you got me clueless. 'Cause you can reach the sky while I'm stuck here on the ground, and I'm afraid of how it feels when you're not around. And I don't want to, but I can't deny. There's something about you, something about you. It took some time to realize there's something about you. And even though I know it breaks me down, 'cause you are way too good for me, yeah. But I'm feeling more the less I try. There's something about you. Something about you. Magnetized, you pull me closer. Rabbit holes in my heart and in my mind. Feeling drunk, but I'm sober. 'Cause you can reach the sky while I'm stuck here on the ground, and I'm afraid of how it feels when you're not around. And I don't want to, but I can't deny. There's something about you, something about you. It
So we're in here getting this kitchen straightened up, and I just wanted to get into my pantry and just straighten things up, make sure that everything was where it needed to go. So we had some more space in there for things that we needed. And I quickly showed you guys, Rosa actually went back to IKEA not too long ago, and she mailed me some more of those little cookies and those little chocolate candies that I love so much. And she sent me another pack of meatball gravy. So thank you so much, girl. I love you to death. And I was also able to use one of my little vegetable bags, that little net that I was showing you. I got that. I got a set of those at IKEA when I went to. So I'm so excited. I love that thing so dang much. Ooh, and also I have something else that I'm going to be able to show you soon. So when I start doing my Christmas decorating video, and honestly, it's just going to be probably a video. I'm not going to break it up into 2 or 3 because I don't do a lot of decorating. I do have something for my kitchen that I'm so excited to use. It is just breaking me up that I can't pull it out yet. But my friend Malia, my sweet friend, she sent me a box of Christmas goodies, and there's one thing in there particular that I am so excited about, and I'll show that to you guys. So you'll have to come back for that to see what it is. But I'll give you a hint. It goes in the sink. If that tells you anything. If you know me, you might be able to figure it out. But yeah. Oh my God, I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So excited. But I'm also loving everybody else's Christmas videos. Are you like addicted to watching all the Christmas YouTube decorating videos yet? Because I'm addicted to it. It just gets me in the mood and it gives me good ideas. I have seen some people that do like a different theme every year. I just don't know if I can afford that. I mean, I could, but do I want to? I don't know. I also have a thought. I have these Christmas bulbs that go on my tree, and I don't love them. I'm grateful for them, but I don't love them. So I'm thinking about either spray painting them or painting them a certain way. I don't know. You'll just have to come back and find out. I have all kinds of ideas. So I've got the kitchen clean now, right? And I wanted to quickly show you some things that I do for the holidays that just make everything a little bit easier for me. And I showed you guys this stuff in one of my last vlogs, but I wanted to bring it to you here in case you didn't see that video. So I ended up grabbing this tablecloth from Walmart. It was on clearance for $2.50 because they have all their Christmas stuff out, and this was actually like fall. So I'm going to use this on my kitchen table just to keep it protected, from heat and things like that. And I also grabbed these aluminum cups by Ball. They were 10 cups for $4.99. And these are so stinking cute, and they're going to keep your drinks so cold. They're recyclable. You can put them in the dishwasher. You just can't put hot liquid in them, but they're going to be amazing. You can even take a Sharpie and put everybody's name on it if you want to, but I'm so excited about these. So excited. And I also think they have lids and straws, but I've only seen those at Food Line. I don't have those. Also, takeaway boxes. Like I said, if you don't trust people with your Tupperware, go ahead and get you a big thing of takeaway boxes. That way you can send them home with these and you don't have to worry about them coming back. We usually do get the ones from Sam's that we have a ton and you can use them all year round, but I haven't made it out to Sam's yet, so I just went ahead and grabbed some of those from Walmart, and those are just really nice to have. And if you haven't thought about that before, it's a great idea. Go ahead and do it. Go get you some. But those cups, I'm super excited about those cups. I don't know why, but I am super excited. But also, I'm just going to go ahead and get this bathroom wiped down. Like I said, this is the bathroom upstairs that if we have people over, this is probably the one everybody's going to use. And I just did a deep clean on it, so it was just a matter of me wiping things down, make sure that I have everything put away and it was presentable and I had enough toilet paper. So this is pretty much it. I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming today, and I wanted to just give you a little bit of motivation just to kickstart it if you needed to get up today and just get some things done in your house before you have everybody over. I'm sure everybody is just really busy and stressing out about turkeys, but don't stress out. Just use this time to be thankful and rest and relax. If you work, enjoy this time off from work if you're lucky enough to have this time off from work, and be thankful that you have a job and thankful that you have food and family and friends and somewhere to host a dinner. But that's all I have for you guys today. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.
So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing.